Hello everybody, I hope you're doing good. Today I have this beautiful bag to show to you guys. So this is a jelly bag. Yes, oh my god, I am just still obsessed and I just love these jelly bags so much. So I found these on Ally, so that's where I got this bag from. They have in different colors like black, I've seen purple, some sellers have beige, green. Yeah, that's all I can remember right now. Either way, so I wanted to have a black one, but then I was like, I have so many black bags, so I'm not gonna go into that. But when I saw this transparent one, I was like, oof, I really like this. This is so different. As you can see, this bag, if you know designers, then you know where this bag is inspired from. I believe it is from this Miu Miu bag. I don't remember the name of the model, but it's from that brand anyway. And I believe it totally looks the same, like the shape and everything around it. Anyway, so these are the charms that I chose for this bag. It's a little too much sometimes, but you know, I like to maximize this. You can customize as much as you want, but most of these charms I believe I got from Shein. Only this one is like I bought here locally in a shop around me. But the charms that I have are this pom-pom. It has like this little LV flower inspired thing here going on. Let me show you. And then we have like a little pigo and some heart. So, and then I have these hearts. They're also from Shein. I have a video with like all my bag charms. I can link it in the description. I usually do that for most of my videos. So if you're interested in any of these, so they're right there. Maybe I should do like an updated one because I gather more charms throughout the time. So we'll see about that. But yeah, 3 hearts. Yeah, just some matte colored hearts. And then I have like this, I don't know, this lollipop with this jelly bear. I really like this transparent stuff. They look so yummy, like I want to eat it. And then I have like this crystal heart. And then the best thing, which is kind of like hidden under all of this, is this chain with jelly bears. So as you can see, all in different colors. I really like that. And also, as you can see behind inside the bag is my phone. So it really fits to this jelly aesthetic. So like this one being jelly, this jelly, and then the phone case itself. So I really like that. Also, it comes with a strap like this that is matching. So as you can see, like this is kind of new. I haven't used the strap yet, so I haven't had time to like straighten it out. But it's just like very nice, normal, like any strap really. And then it has like these hooks, so you can like hook them here and here, and then you can just wear it as a crossbody as well. So I just want to show you that. So this is the front and the sides and the back. And then also it has like these 4 legs as well. So that's the length. And I don't know why they have like this little, I don't know what it is called. It's like, you saw what it did, like, it just like clipped the handles together somehow. Maybe for, I really don't know. But I think I would generally just like put it on the side like this and just carry the bag like this. And also it's detachable, so if you don't like it, you can always take it off. But I decided to just keep it here because I would lose it. 100% I would lose it. I will never find it ever again. So alright, let's get into what's in my bag. So the measurements, I really don't know exactly. I'm just guessing about 20 centimeters. So it's kind of like a small to medium sized bag. So let's get into it. So the first thing I have is this little pouch. I really like this because it's like it's transparent with this, I don't know, this rainbow color stuff. I think this one at least from Temu. So inside here, just to organize everything a little bit, I have my smallest things in here because they will be all over the place here inside the bag. So in here I just have first my just medicine. It's not that fun. It's just eye drops because of allergies right now, because everything is blooming. It's that time of the year. And then I have just some, what's it called? Like some mints. Really strong ones, like these little, I don't know what it's called, like caramels, but you know, just to like have it in your mouth and suck it until your throat feels better. Just some really strong peppermint. I just have like 2 of them left in there, so yeah. So I just have a hair clip just for these little small hairs. Yeah. And then I have, let's take this one, lip oil from Revolution. Yeah, it's part of this honey collection, I believe. So yeah, from that collection. I think they also have like a yellow one that is more like honey flavor. This one is more floral, I would say. Just some transparent. It doesn't have any color. It's not a tint or anything. Yeah. And then y'all probably wonder, what the heck is this? I was thinking the same, like, what is this thing? It looks like some kind of man's tool for something, but it turns out, I believe, or what they wrote is like just a phone holder. But why is it so ugly? I don't know. Why is it having like these ugly screw holes? Or I really don't know, y'all. But it's for putting your phone. I just like the keychain part of it, like, you know. What about doing this? Okay, that's kind of ugly, but fun. So yeah, it's from IKEA, and you just open it up like this, and then you can put the phone here, or yeah, maybe a tablet or something here. But yeah, that's basically it. So you know, when you go to a restaurant, you're just waiting, it's too long, or let's say you go alone and you just want to be alone at the restaurant, you want to watch something while you eat, you can always bring this one. Yeah, semi-rude to do that in a restaurant, but you know, who cares? I got this one because it's nice and practical. So next I have like this little lip gloss thing. I don't remember exactly where I got it from, but it's like a little sample. So I just really like this red shade of color. I would like to find something similar to this color because it really fit me. It's like some cold red berry-ish. It's not really berry, but like it's a cold color, cold shade. But yeah, I really like that. So, and it's kind of like sheer, so it's not like too much in your face when you wear it. And then I just have Band-Aid in here because I just hit my leg on the table. It hurts so bad and it scratched up my skin, so I'm just carrying it for now, like just in case, you know, like it helps against having that having that damaged skin rubbing against the fabric of your pants, you know. It just helps to protect it a bit. So it's like, I don't know if you can tell, but it's like Paw Patrol. So I really like that. So that's that. And here's the little pouch. Alright, what's next? My phone. I really love this phone case so much. It's so nice, and I really love these bears, jelly bears. Yeah, it's just, I think I got it from Shein or Ally, I don't remember, but you know, any of these stores. So that's that. And then I have hand cream. I always need hand cream because my skin is so dry all the time. Yeah, and I like this one. It's from Weleda, and just like this 30 milliliter cream. Yeah, I like it. It's kind of greasy though because it has like a lot of Vaseline. Like one of the main ingredients is Vaseline, so I even have it on now, and it's like, but it makes your skin shiny, but a little greasy, so don't need to use that much. And then I have just my wallet. I really like this pink glitter. It's so cute. It's so cute. So yeah, just have my cards here, and it has like this little pocket for picture. Yeah, this is like a funny picture. I ain't gonna go into details, but basically it's like it's semi Photoshop because this is the original one. It's like my dog is pooping, and then we just added me and my friend was laughing, we just added my friend's French bulldog while my friend is puking here. Yeah, that's not going into details. It's just a nice funny memory for me and my friends. Okay, all right. So next, this is the biggest item in the bag, but it fits. This is my favorite scent right now, or out of this Sol de Janeiro. This one is the 90 milliliter bottle. My favorite scent is this 41. It's so nice. I really like this one. So what's next? We're almost done. Just 2 more products. I just have a pen, and that's it. Yeah, I really like this. It has like this little, I don't know what it's called, like inside this liquid with the flowers, so it's really nice. Just rose gold paint, so always good to have around. And the last is a lip balm. This is from Essence. As you can see, it's like super balm. It's like really nice, hydrating, because I believe it has vitamin E. Yeah, vitamin E and shea butter, so it's really nice. And it has like this iridescent color. I don't know if you can see it in the camera, but it has like this pearly white glitter stuff to it, so very nice. And that's all. It's a smaller bag, so you see, you can carry your essentials, but also a little bit more. For example, that big perfume, you know, like this one, it can fit. And your phone, those are, I guess, the biggest items you can carry. So that's the bag. This is what it looks like, empty. Really nice, transparent with a little bit of like matte color, which I like because it's not like it's like everyone can see what you have in your bag. It's just the things that are on the edge, like what is the closest to the walls of the bag. But yeah, so let's pick her up again. Okay, I'm gonna start with the small items. I'm just gonna throw it in there. That's it. So that's that. I'm gonna start with this perfume. and my wallet, and I will go with my phone, and then all these small things. Quick and easy, y'all. It's so nice and so beautiful. I really love this like universal shape of it, and it's also like kind of timeless. I think it's kind of easy to style with this. It's very easy to carry, and yeah, just a universal bag because it's very simple and minimal. It doesn't have any weird shape. I mean, it kind of does, but it's like this east-west style, but it's still very simple. I don't know how to describe it. It's just very nice and simple. So yeah, that's the bag. I hope you really like this video. So remember to stay happy and healthy as much as you can, and I'll see you in the next video. Alright guys, bye.